Hello everyone, hope you enjoyed part 1 of this series. Before doing exercises to cure your problems, today we will talk about some methods of eye hacks. If you apply in a daily life, that will help you to keep your eyes stable for long runs. Always remember this motto: early to rise and early to bed makes you healthy and wealthy. So, resting is very important for your eyes, brains, and your body. To get better eyesight, first you should wake up early and try to open your eyes as slow as possible. Then, in spite of checking phones, go next to a open space atmosphere, such as a garden or ground that full of little green grass. Look at a glance of sky and that grass for a while. You should maintain a distance of at least 10 meters from that object you are watching, and try to take in the blink of the eye as little as possible. Just imagine the contribution of the small balls that plays a vital role in your entire life. So, support them with these following exercises. After doing the exercise, explain in first part that link given in the description. Now, first, widen your eyes and rotate circularly from right to left anti-clockwise. After a while, rotate it from left to right, clockwise. Ten times each in both sides, 5 times alternatively, pattern in 2 sets. Next, straight your hands beside your eyes. Place your 2 thumbs of your hands upwards like this. Then look once to the right thumb, once to the left thumb, then to the right, then to the left. After doing 1 or 2 minutes, change your hands position like this. Once again look at right and then change to left. Repeatedly keep doing for few minutes like this. Do this without not moving your neck, only with help of your eyes. Today's last exercise will be done with the help of a pen or pencils. First, hold this pen or pencils tightly like this. Then, slowly bring the pencil to the front and gently move it backward. Apply this in right eye 25 times, and then repeat this 25 times more in left eye, total 50 times. And you are done. But the more you do, the more you improve. To improving your eye, you can wash your eye with cold tap water more frequently. Use a clean cotton piece of cloth to clean your eyes with lukewarm water. Take green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and collards, and fish like salmon, tuna, and eggs, nuts, natural orange juice, oysters, pops, etc. Smoking is also bad for eyes. Always wear safety eyeglass when working on computer, sunglasses in day outing time. Follow 20 minutes principle by rest for 1 minute after every 20 minutes of eye straining activities. That's it. Hope it helped you. Care your friends with sharing. Help me back with clicking on the like button, subscribing and comments icon. Thank you.